little ducks waddling away, quacking and splashing all through the day. Into the pond they dive and glide, swim together side by side. One finds a bug, the others cheer. They share their snacks with joy so dear. With tiny wings they flap and play, having fun in their special way. At night they rest near the cozy shore, snuggled up they quack no more. Three little ducks, happy and free, drifting to sleep so peacefully. Three little ducks waddling away,